Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my amazing product reviews and recommendations. Today, I am super excited to talk about the Clothes Organizer Pants Jeans Storage Box Wardrobe Clothes Organizer Underwear Socks Storage Artifact Cabinet Storage Organizers. This incredible storage box is a game changer when it comes to keeping your wardrobe organized and your clothes in perfect condition. With multiple compartments, it allows you to neatly store and easily access your pants, jeans, underwear, socks, and other clothing items. No more struggling to find a specific pair of pants or digging through piles of clothes to find your favorite socks. This storage box has got you covered. Not only does it keep your clothes organized, but it also helps to save space in your wardrobe or drawers. The compact design makes it perfect for small closets, and the durable material ensures that it will last for years to come. So, if you're tired of dealing with cluttered and disorganized clothing, I highly recommend checking out the Clothes Organizer Pants Jeans Storage Box Wardrobe Clothes Organizer Underwear Socks Storage Artifact Cabinet Storage Organizers. Trust me, you won't regret it, and the best part? You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description below. Don't wait any longer, click the link and take the first step towards a more organized and stress-free wardrobe. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.